Crystal Paints Grey Oxide Primer, designed for dealing with rusted surfaces, raw steel, or iron. Any other surfaces with broken through rust. We recommend sanding the surface beforehand for best adhesion and smoothing out any bumps. Once finished sanding, clean down with mineral turbs, removing any dust or particles. Once clean, you're alright to paint on directly with the Grey Oxide Primer or spot prime certain areas of broken through rust. This product is perfect for sealing up your surface before putting a top coat on. Once the primer is applied, you're okay to go ahead with a top coat of water-based or oil-based. We recommend for machinery our Crystal Paints Automotive brushable one-pack polyurethane. It's a nice tough product. If you want to know more about this product or any of our other products, don't hesitate to contact the factory directly.